Air blow painting. Materials required: colors, drinking straw. Take the attached sheet and put some paint on the drawing. Using the straw, blow air on the color to spread it on the entire drawing. Repeat with the other colors. Let it dry, then cut the drawing and paste it in the space provided. Your air blow painting is ready.